In this video, we are going to see about the frequency response. Actually, to get frequency response, so from the system, we have to replace S by j omega. Next, it is separated into magnitude and phase form. So in frequency response, after substituting S by j omega, we have to separate magnitude part and angle part. So for open loop transfer function, g of s, so just we have to replace s equal to j omega, then we have to separate into magnitude and angle. For loop transfer function means g of s into h of s. So now we have to replace s j omega, then we have to separate its magnitude and angle. This is the magnitude, this is angle. Next, closed loop transfer function. So closed loop transfer function m of s. Now s equal to j omega, then we have to separate its magnitude and angle. So now the advantages of frequency response analysis is the absolute and relative stability of closed loop system can be estimated by using their open loop system. Practical testing of a system can be easily done with standard sinusoidal signal generator and sinusoidal measuring equipments, because we are always having sinusoidal input. By using sinusoidal signal generator and its measuring tools, so we can easily do the practical experiments. Next, transfer function of complicated system can be easily obtained by using frequency response. Design and parameter adjustment of a open loop transfer function of a system for specified closed loop performance. It means by using the closed loop performance, we can easily design and also we can adjust the parameter value for the open loop transfer function. Next, the frequency response analysis and design can be easily extended for non-linear control system also. So these are all the advantages of frequency response